Hello friends, myself Professor T.S. Vandali. Today I am going to explain the problems on planes. Already in the previous lectures I explained about equilateral triangular lamina, set square and rectangular lamina. Today I am going to explain about the plane pentagonal lamina. It is as in your question bank with solution, the problem number 19, how to draw the projection of this pentagonal lamina rests on HP. Just go through it. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. In this problem, so first of all, we are going to draw the XY line, that is the reference line. Above you have to show it VP and below the XY line you have to show it as HP, means it represents the first angle projection. So in the pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm is resting on HP, means we are going to draw this pentagonal lamina on HP, means below the XY line. First we are going to draw this vertical edge. This vertical edge is, first we are going to draw vertically to XY line, that is on HP, because that is the edge resting on HP. With reference to this edge, this length is 25 mm. Just you consider from above end or below end of this vertical line, so you have to maintain this included angle as 108 degree, and you take the same length of 25 mm, you draw the second side. Again you maintain from this end, you have to maintain the angle, included angle of 108 degree. Again you draw the third side, similarly fourth side and fifth side. So likewise we are going to draw the pentagon. Now it is the complete pentagon of 5 sides and 5 included angles. Next we are going to name these 5 corners as A, B, C, D, E. E is the resting edge. Okay, then you have to project upward on the XY line. So from the each corner, so just you draw the vertical projections, that is AE are in the same line, D, B are separate, C is separate. Just D and B are in the same line, just draw the vertical projection, means projection lines. Then you draw the line from this end. Just you see here, this is the starting point, this is the end point. This line, thick line, we call it as the front view. It is lies on the XY line. This is the top view, this is the front view. Next you named the each ends, because here E in the front view, E is visible, A is not visible, so E becomes E dash and A becomes A dash. D is visible, B is not visible, inside the bracket you can take it as B dash, and C becomes C dash. This is the first position of the pentagonal lamina rests on HP. Next, in the given problem, what is asking, the plane makes an angle of 60 degree with HP, means next in the front view, whatever the length you obtained, this length, see E dash, A dash and C dash, this length you take it from the scale. Next you have to place at an angle of 60 degree with HP, means above the XY line you have to take like this. Just you take the same length at an angle of 60 degree and named the each corner by the same text, that is E dash, A dash is the resting, this is the resting edge, this is the midpoints, that is midpoint means D dash, B dash. From the compass you maintain this distance over here, and D dash inside B dash to C dash, again you have to take with the help of compass or divider, so we maintained here. So this is the second position front view, that plane makes an angle of 60 degree. Next, you draw the projections from front view to project downward, and the top view in the first position to the towards right. You draw the projection lines. These vertical and horizontal lines are coincide. So next, you named that coinciding point. So this is from A, this horizontal line coincide here with vertical. This is the A, and this E is coincide here, D coincide here, C is here. Similarly, B, it is coinciding with this vertical projections. Then you have to connect this A, E, D, C, B and A with a thick line of thickness 0.5 mm, like this. You are getting the second position top view plane, that is top view of the second position of the pentagonal lamina. Next, in the third position, so what is asking in the given problem, the edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degrees to VP, draw its projections. Means in the third position, you have to take the line that makes an angle of that 45 degrees to VP, means you have to take below the XY line. See, so you take any convenient point on the XY line, just you have to draw this 45 degree here, 45 degree line is there. So this resting edge means this AE you have to place it over the 45 degree line. Same lamina, this A, B, C, D, E, A, this is the apparent view of the top view of the second position pentagonal lamina. So this AE you have to place here, because that resting edge makes an angle of 45 degrees to VP, means this AE you have to take it over this 45 degree line. Then with respect to this AE, remaining the corners you have to transfer same, otherwise you make one box over this pentagon. Same lines, horizontal and vertical lines, you have to transfer here. You have to easily draw this second position top view pentagonal lamina over here, that is resting edge makes an angle of 45 degree. Next, you draw the projections in order to obtain the front view. So you draw the vertical projections upward, and from the second position front view draw the horizontal projections. You are getting the corresponding points of A dash here. A is the projection of this point A here. A becomes A dash, B becomes B dash, C becomes C dash, and D becomes D dash, E becomes E dash at the corresponding lines. Then you have to connect these 5 points. You are getting the third position front view. Likewise, we are going to draw the these pentagonal lamina resting on HP of side 25 mm. So main thing is here we are going to concentrate. The given lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP, means you have to take it above the XY line at the second position, and makes an angle of 45 degrees to VP, means you take it below the XY line. Likewise, you have to practice. Okay, if you are having doubts, please call me and I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you, one and all.